It's the last Friday at the Venice Film Festival, and the city is buzzing before the curtain falls on the world cinema's grand stage. Alan, why is it important for Friuli Venezia Giulia movie representatives to be at the Venice Film Festival?
Because here there are the movies that will be maybe at the Oscar, will be movie that will be in the next season from here to like April, May.
Which movies would you recommend seeing once they come to Trieste cinemas?
Surely La Grazia di Paolo Sorrentino, because it talks about President della Repubblica with Tony Servillo. It's a really good movie. And Kathryn Bigelow's A House of Dynamite, if I remember correctly the title, which is maybe the best movie here in the competition this year.